If you want to get free wallpapers on POCO F8 Ultra or POCO F8 Pro, then in that case the easiest way to find them is by opening the Themes app. Once you open the Themes app, you should be able to switch to Wallpapers category, and you can find a bunch of different wallpapers that you can, most of the time at least, get for free. So in this case, of course, we have many different wallpapers. We can also use one of these categories over here at the top. So let's say we're gonna actually go to categories and let's try to find something more specific. And let's say we're gonna choose a sunset. Let's try to find a cool sunset wallpaper. And in this case, let's say we're gonna use something like this one over here. And after selecting the wallpaper, you should be able to choose if you want to set it for lock screen, home screen, or both. In my case, I'm gonna set it for both. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to adjust the wallpaper, of course. So let's see. All right, there we go. So we can of course zoom in and zoom out if you want to. You can use two fingers to change the position. And once you set up the, and of course we can switch to the home screen. And for example, we can disable the blur if you want to. But once you are done, we can tap on apply in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. We have a new wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.